Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. Uh, so you have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. And so let's begin. First of all, you have to update your drivers for the particular devices. So you have to go to search bar and type your device manager. So in the search results, you have to click here, then the new window will pop up on your screen. So you have to find out here the mice and the other pointing devices. So expand this. You have to right click on the particular devices, select properties, and then here you will get the more options like general, driver, details, and events. So we have to select drivers tab, then go to the update driver and make sure you are connected with your internet connection. So select the first option and the base drivers will be installed automatically. Now close this window, again expand the keyboards. Here you will get the keyboards one, right click on it, select properties, go to the drivers tab and select update driver. Again select the first option and close all windows one by one. Now go to the search bar and type your troubleshoot settings. That's why here we need to go to the other troubleshooters, and from here just scroll down and just run these Bluetooth. So this will try to fix the issue automatically, and after that just close this window and then restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like the video and please check out the pinned comment, that will also help you to fix this issue completely. And yeah, have a nice day.